Peace of mind and body. 9. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on social freedom and the rights of people, especially women. First of all, it is important to understand that the major thing which separates a human from an animal is the fact that people live by a higher moral code. If people abandoned this and simply acted on their desires, then there would be no difference between them and animals. In fact, people would be worse, as they possess the higher level of thinking yet still choose to live like animals. Secondly, whether people want to admit it or not, in reality, every person is a servant of something or someone. Some are servants of others, such as Hollywood executives, and do whatever they command them to do, even if it challenges modesty and shame. Others are servants of their relatives and friends, and do whatever it takes to please them. Others are the worst type of servants, as they serve only their own desires, just like animals and the evil people in society, such as pedophiles and rapists. The best and highest form of servanthood is being a servant of Allah, the Exalted. This is quite evident if one turns the pages of history, which clearly shows that those who were the servants of Allah, the Exalted, such as the holy prophets, peace be upon them, were granted the highest honor and respect in this world, and will be granted this in the next. Centuries and millennia have passed, yet their names are remembered as the pillars and beacons of history. Whereas those who became servants of others, especially their own desires, were eventually disgraced in this world, and were plagued with mental disorders and substance addiction, even if they achieved some worldly status, and they became mere footnotes in history. The media barely remembers those who pass away for more than a few days, before moving on to the next person to report on. During their lives, these people eventually become sad, lonely, depressed, and even suicidal, as selling their souls and decency to their worldly masters did not grant them the contentment they were looking for. One does not need to be a scholar to understand this obvious truth. So if people must be servants, they should be the servants of Allah, the Exalted, as lasting honor, greatness and true success lies only in this. Chapter 16 and Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.